It's finally like 50 degrees in Florida, but it's 8 a.m. and we gotta start the car. Sorry, neighbors. Top of the morning, guys. Let's get this cold start out of the way. Sorry, neighbors. Alright, we gotta put it in first gear so it don't make too much noise, or reverse. It is too loud, guys. Too loud. There's like a whole sidewalk all the way down there. Why is this lady in the street? It's like a whole sidewalk over there. What the hell? Anyways. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up some tools, guys, because we have to change the sensor still. And then we also gotta be changing our spark plugs. So guys, enjoy this. I'm gonna take you guys along. We need gas in the car. We gotta go to the tool freaking part store or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys where I go to get my tools. You know, it's cheap, not too expensive, and they still got good tools, so why not? And I'm gonna take you through some nice back roads, so let's get it. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Today. reason why I keep doing this. Like, I just drive and show you guys, and you guys hear the downshift, the upshift, the acceleration, all that. And so you guys, damn, buddy. Whoa, that truck got way too close to me. And so you guys can live the 6-speed experience through me, like through the videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys don't want me to do this, just comment down below and let me know. But if you want me to keep doing these type of drives, then shoot, let's keep going. But yeah, I'm doing this type of video so you guys can enjoy the 6-speed life through the videos and just be entertained and just hear it. Oh, I hate this incline. Well, if you guys don't know, Harbor Freight. That's where I get all my tools. Just the aisle I needed. I'm telling you guys, there's everything here. So we got a sensor. Now we gotta find something that fits this. So these are the prices. Not bad. I need that. That's goals. But yeah, let me figure this out and I'll be right back. All right guys, we got our things. Shop towel, 32 mil for the axle and a 27 mil for the sensor. So, oh, and we got a new hose. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't like when like dogs and stuff like that are in the back of these carriages. It's like abuse. I don't know, that's to me. Either I love animals too much, or you know. We're on our way to AutoZone to get a spark plug socket as well, because we gotta change the spark plugs. I'm gonna tell you guys what we're gonna do exactly once I get a chance. But yeah, we got some NGK spark plugs. We got just some maintenance because I'm using the car a little bit too much. So we're here in AutoZone. Let's see if we can find it. Damn, she's looking good. All right, so we found this little ramp. I just decided to stop and take some pictures of the car. But damn, that fitment. Yeah, that's crazy. Look at this car, guys. So like I said, we gotta change the sensor. We gotta change the spark plugs. And also guys, stay tuned. We might be getting a new intake for the car. A really nice one though. More power, better reliability, and all that. So, oh, and by the way, it's on right now, but my bumper broke. So I ripped the bumper off again. It's on right now. I'm not gonna touch it too much. But yeah, we just gotta give this car a little more love. But yeah, I found this ramp and I just decided, you know what? Why not take pictures? So let's take pictures. Damn, what a sexy beast. Wait until I get my drag radials in the front. Well, not drag radials, street radials. That's what I meant. And if you guys want to see all that intake, you know, yeah, just wait. Subscribe, guys. Follow me at Rio G Maxine. If you follow me at Rio G Maxine, you see all the pictures I'll be taking here, all the exhaust, the flames, what I do. You get a sneak peek of what I do to the car. So, guys, do me a favor and just follow me there. But it's nice. It's just a road I decided to take. You know, just decided to take it. New road. So, is that a third pedal? All right, we're gonna pass a little tunnel. Who's ready to wake some people up? Oh, that's gonna suck for people. Oh shit! Yo, that was loud. That was loud. Oh man. Yo, that was so loud. That was so loud. That is so funny. I told you guys I live in the woods. There's a bump over here. Oh, here it is. There's a bump over here. I think it's pretty big, so. This exhaust is so aggressive. It's like so aggressive. It's like in your face aggressive. That's crazy. These ain't my neighbors, so it's okay. This exhaust, it just sounds too good. Just listen to this. That's all she wrote. Nothing better than a 6-speed transmission in a freaking nice ass car. But we made it home. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna do some maintenance. This is all I got for today, because if I do everything I got for the car and I show you guys how to do it, then it'll be a super long video. And yeah, no, let's take our time. I'm gonna show you guys how to do things, how to do it the correct way, and let's just have fun with it, you know? Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this type of video, just me doing whatever and all that, let me know. We'll do more of it. Get with a couple buddy of ours, have them drive the car, see how it feels, and get their reaction. But if you guys like these type of videos, let me know in the comment, guys. And remember, follow me at Maxine for all updates, all pictures, all videos, all reels of the car before it drops on YouTube. But thank you guys for watching. Remember, God is good. Put him first always. And I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Peace.